At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
Hi, I'm Izzy Gonzalez. I'm a junior here in the Health Technology program at Vantage Career Center, and I'm from Van Wert High School. I chose Health Technology at Vantage Career Center because it prepares me for a career in the healthcare field and just gets me ahead of students my age. Starting off your junior year here in Health Technology, we start by focusing on our medical terminology and our Certified Nursing Assistant license, which is also referred to as your CNA. We then move into our CPR certifications, our first aid, and our Stop the Bleed. And then towards the end of the year, we finish it all out with our dental assisting skills. Starting off your senior year, you work on conducting hearing and vision screenings, and then you move into your patient care tech license, also referred to as your PCT, and then to finish out the year, you do phlebotomy and get your phlebotomy technician license. Health technology is all about teamwork and working on taking care of others, so students who are interested in going into any fields in healthcare or dental will thrive in this class.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.